Good morning, everyone. So today Spellbinders is kicking off their new kits for February 2021. These items were sent free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So today I have a few kits that I can show you, and then we're going to get to the card kit and do a little something with it in this video. And if you're familiar with Spellbinders, you know they have a huge website where you can shop all of their dies, but they also have club kits ranging from single kits that you can pick up however you like, or they have value club kits, which are the best value. And I'll have the links to all those different kind of things in the description box. But once you get to the club page, I guess this is if you're not familiar with them, you can read about the different clubs and pricing and all of that. And whatever day you sign up on will be the day that they will ship it out the next month, and so on. You have a club portal where you can skip and do all those different things, customize it if it's okay. Maybe this month I want this value club as opposed to that one, or just maybe the card kit and not this. So you can change it up there. Really easy to work with online there. And you get 10% off every day, the prices once you log in. Whatever you see on Spellbinders, it'll have the 10% taken off already. And if you are already a club member, well, this is what you'll be receiving depending on what club you're signed up for. So you can check that out and make your decisions there. So I do have a couple things to share with you. I'm going to show you real quickly the large die of the month, which is Birthday Wishes for Everyone. They usually come on a carrier, like I'll show you in here, but the samples I get are a little bit different. So it's really a great basic set to have. It's numbers. It's all numbers, and it's basically, again, birthday wishes for everyone. So it's something, you can use numbers for all kinds of things, school pages, dates, or whatever it is that you want to do, but it's geared towards birthdays. And I love the font on this. It's so pretty. So we're going to have some fun with this one. And we have the word happy, really nice size. I'll just measure that real quick so you can, it's like 3.5 inches by basically an inch. It's a really nice size, happy. And then, sorry about that. It looks like maybe a little stick or like a little banner. I don't know. You can use this however you like. And then we have the endings of the letters, right? If you have like fifth, so you have a TH and things like that, right? To make all that make really good sense. That's really cool. All of them. The end, the est, all those different kinds of things, really, really great. And yeah, so I just want to show you those. Really nice utilitarian set is what I think that one is. And then the Becca Feekin, the APG, the Amazing Paper Grace die set, again, will come in a nice carrier with some ideas on the back. I get this in this way here. So really well put together die set. We love our frames. We love the shadows, all those different things. So you have that. So you have your shadow here for the larger frame. Again, it says Bella Diamante. I'm assuming it's Bella Diamante. It looks like Spanish, but maybe Italian, a little bit different. There we go. So you have this piece here, and hopefully you can see this will cut out the whole edge all around, and then this one can go behind that. So we have the shadow, and this frame will cut out itself. The center is still going to be attached there, but that's when you can play with all these different things in different ways. You can use this in the center and cut that diamond out. You can use the diamond shape with this guy. Actually this guy cuts himself out. Really pretty, as you can see there. You can just cut this shape out of that centerpiece, and then we have this shape that can also cut into this, as you can see there. I suppose if you'd like, you can cut it out of this one, and it would just leave like an aperture, right, with the little pieces missing there. And then we have the square that you can cut out of the center. So there's lots of ways to layer this up and play with this set. And then this little cinch and go flowers, what she calls them. So you can make little flowers to decorate also your card front or project, whatever it is that you're doing that with. And it's a really nice size. It appears to be 2, 4, yeah, I'll say it will make a 5x7, this larger frame. So let's take a look at this. This is the cutest thing. Let your heart soar. Look at the hot air balloon, right? Yes, so cute. Okay, and on the back, there's always of the idea sheet, there's always some little ideas that you can put something together. We will do the hot air balloon because that's, your meat and potatoes of this kit. Super cute. So we have Let Your Heart Soar chipboard frames, several of them. I'll just open it up so you can kind of have an idea. These are black and white. There's some gilded ones in the back. And they are chipboard, as it says there, nice and thick. The die cut shapes, super cute. I just love the color palette already. Very springy, but just fun for every day. The little flowers, and there are hundreds of things in here. The little hearts. Aw. Just as you are, believe you can. I love the little words because they're really nice to just add on to a card and you're good to go. I see some dragonflies in there, little flowers, tags, all kinds of fun things. We always have our adhesives, like liner tape, and then also your dimensional adhesive. Cute little gold sequins. We have our little fairy. Look at her. Oh, she's like a little vellum-y looking bow and her little flower, and then all these are layered up. Really, really cute cards, stickers. Look at that. Our little jet puff stickers. I love these. They always remind me of the 80s, and I am an 80s kid, so I really appreciate these. They're super cute. Look at the little fairy. Oh, my goodness. So cute. Cute little stamp set. Okay, I'm gonna say cute probably too many times, but it's cute. Sending you love. We have hugs and kisses, a little note. Go where your dreams take you. A little birdie told me it's your birthday. Friendship. It's all about the little things. And those are all really great sentiments for any card. I think that's really great. Really nice and varied. Really sweet. And cute, of course, the little birds and all kinds of little things. Look at the little hearts and things. Oh, you can put little hats on your birds too. That's adorable. Card bases, always 10 card bases, 10 envelopes. And here's our little hot air balloon. It's a really nice size. Let me open this up really quickly because it looks like there's also dies for some other, maybe some of the words. I always like when there's dies for the stamps, those kind of things. Oh, look, they have one for the, love it. So our little bird, it's like a little dove, that's what it reminds me of, carrying the letter or the envelope. So we have die for her. We have dies for, hold on, so for the hot air balloon, we have this piece. We have these 3 other pieces here. So that's really nice, you know, easy to work with there. And then we have our words, and it looks like you can cut out hugs and kisses. And a little note can get cut out. That's really cool. I love that. All right. Let's look at this one here. Beautiful butterflies. They feel dimensional as they have dimensional stickers, and they're a little thick. They have like that thicker feel to them. And a little glitter all over. Really cute. Let's check out Let Your Heart Soar. So this is the kind of thing I always add an extra paper pad, and that's another thing you can do in the portal, the club account portal. When you go in there, you can say browse. It's on the left hand side. It'll say browse and or browse plans, and you can add more paper to your order, and they'll just add an extra paper pad or 2 or whatever it is that you order to them. So it's really nice. The beautiful rainbow, some script that's really, really sweet. Flight, love, joy, has all kinds of words. The little paper airplanes. I saw the paper airplanes in the die cuts too. So cute. Nice, cool kind of pattern there. What do we got here? Paper, it's kind of purple with like little white dots. Yellow and white here. Oh, look at the rainbows with the foiling. So cute. Oh, this is so pretty. Just kind of a teal color paper with all that foiling on it. Love it. This one looks like, I was gonna say a map, but it looks like something more technical. Pretty cool, but it's very cute and purple. I love that. Topographic? Is that what they're called? I don't remember. Anyway, so we have the flowers here. Really cute little birdies. The purple kind of geometric design. Kind of rainbowish with a little like organic look. Of course, we love our cloud paper. I am definitely adding another set of paper to my club kit this month. I love that. The little pink kind of coral paper. The little birds. I love that. I love when they echo the stamps with the paper because it just looks so put together. And a little kind of grid paper, and it has like little rainbow dots. And that purple paper. Oh, look at this one. That is so pretty. And then the hot air balloons. Oh yeah, this is definitely a 2-pack at least. month. So there's that. And then we have our cardstock, always with a fun foil type cardstock, or your metallic cardstock, and then your colors. This is one of my favorite Spellbinders colors. It's gorgeous. And then we have the pink, a little bit of lavender, a little like yellow. That one looks like white, I think. Yeah. A little sea foamy, light blue, and a really nice brighter blue here. So really pretty color palette. So let me put some things to the side and we'll get started with our card. Okay guys, for my card base I have obviously our card base that's in the kit there, and I cut some of the little cloud paper down to 4 by 5 1/4, and then I cut a piece that's also 4 wide of that cool paper there by 2 1/4, and I'm gonna layer it up kind of like what they're showing in the example there, and I'm gonna cut a piece off of this. So you can do it with scissors, you can bring it over to your cutter. I'm just gonna cut from this corner to like down here, so that's all I'm gonna do just to make it a little more diagonal. And something like that, just to give the paper some movement and the card some movement too. And you know what, I'll use the liner tape just if you're not familiar with it, how to use it from the kit there. And basically you're just going to look for the beginning of it, and if you're using on something like this, I'll just go through and put my tape. And this kind, you can just tear it, you don't have to like cut it or anything like that, but if you want to, you know, use scissors, go ahead. So I'll just put some across all around. And then you need to, oh, go a little crooked there. It's okay. And then you'll just need to pick off the little carriers. And usually I like to kind of flatten them out really well. That way when you go to pick it off, you're not picking off your striping tape there again. So it's really nice that the kit always comes with pretty much everything you need. You might, you know, you need something to cut with, but other than that, you got that down there. And since this is a dry adhesive, you're going to want to be careful when you go to lay it down, just so you can eyeball it really well. And I'll do the same thing for this little guy. I'll just line the back of it with the tape and adhere it right down at the bottom here. Okay, so that's the card base. I am going to use one of these little cute dimensional stickers. I don't think I've done that in the past, so we're going to use that today. And since this does have the dimension, I'm going to go ahead and do the hot air balloon just flat, so you can see kind of how to paper piece, because I'm going to paper piece this. This is the kind of thing I do love to cut out and then put it on acetate if you want to put like a little frame around it or something cute, and then you just color the back of the acetate to color it in. Really fun. But today we are going to paper piece, so I'm going to take, I just cut down the white paper just so I can put it through my die cutting machine easier. I'm going to run this through, so we'll have our base here. And then we have other little pieces here that you can decorate with. I'm going to run both of these through some of the gold metallic paper that's in there. And the little basket, I'll just pick one of the colors I think will be cute to cut him out in. And then I'm going to run just certain areas through again, because you do need the colors that you want to piece back in. So I might do it systematically. I don't know how I'm going to do it quite yet, but you know, pick at least 4 colors or a combination of colors for this top part, and then you need something to paper piece back in at the very base of the little hot air balloon too. And you can fill this whole thing in, you know, however it is that you like to do it. I think I like the nice and airy look right here, but maybe we'll fill this part in too. So I'll run it through a few times with different colors, and I will be right back once I have those pieces. Okay, guys. So I started cutting, but you know, I like to keep my pieces together so it's easier to paper piece. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of eyeball what I want to do, and I have my little sticker here just so I kind of know where I want to put him too. We got here somewhere, so this guy can be here. That's probably a good spot for him. Okay, so I want him to be right around here. What I'm going to do is put glue on the back of my hand and get that guy down. I'll get a little bit on here, but then the rest of it I'm just going to put on the back of my hand and glue them down. And then I'm just going to piece my little pieces in as I get them going. So I had them like around here somewhere. Super cute. And then we have our little basket. Since I have those pieces, I'll just put them on now. And I just changed my mind. I did the basket in gold with the little pieces that go over here in gold. And initially I had said I was going to put that little band here in gold, but we can change our mind. Okay, there we go. And then I'm just going to place my pieces. If you like using tweezers or however you like to do this kind of thing, you know, do that. I just pick them up and put them on. They all appear to be about the same, so I don't think there's any one that goes where the other doesn't, or however. There we go. So cute. And then I cut the darker blue. So I'm going to start with the darker blue for my layers. I think I'm going to do the top and the very bottom layer. That top and this bottom. And then we have this little piece that's kind of decorative here. And I'll stick those down. That goes right here, and it goes right underneath. Look how cute. Tell you, every little bit of added decorations just takes it to that next level. Okay, and I always like to put my glue in here. If you're gonna, and then down here, if you were gonna stand this up, like if you wanted it popped up, you could do what they're showing here is that they use the dimensional adhesive and you stick it on the back, okay, so that it's gonna help you hold your pieces in place. When you put your pieces in, you see the adhesive there, and then just go from there. It'll already have the dimensional for you, and then it holds your pieces in place, so it's working double duty. And what I like to do is, again, try to keep my pieces together as much as I can, and then just lay them in. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll do the same thing for all the little pieces. Having said that, these pieces aren't super small, so it's really nice. You can see. And then I'll run that same die through a different color and add those pieces in right here, through a different color, add them in here and in here, and I will be done. So I'm going to pop these pieces out again. Like I said, just run through the sections that I want on a piece of colored paper and then just pop them in, and I'll be right back. And you know, if you wanted to keep all the little pieces that are from the other colors, then you can use them later. That's a great way to save your little scraps, but I have those there. Super cute. And then again, I'm just going to pop this little sticker on, kind of in the background, so it looks like obviously it's an airplane, smaller than the than our it's so cute, than our hot air balloon. Look at, oh my gosh, how adorable is that? So you have Chase Adventure, and then I just picked out one of the sentiments in the die cuts and just popped on some of the dimensional adhesive on the back there, and I think I'm gonna put it here. Well, you can put it wherever you like, but I'll put it down lower, like here. That's cute. So we have Chase Adventure, you did it. How cute is that? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have the links in the description box for you. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for sending these items for my review. I will be getting the other kits that I normally sign up for. Of course, they're going to start going out after the 1st. That's what I'm signed up for, so I'll have those to show also very soon. But keep an eye out later today, possibly, for the large die and the APG review. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.